A warm welcome to all the students of BAG program and BAPCH program of IGNOU. We have prepared this video for our students of psychology who have opted the psychology course in BAG program, which is offered under CBCS, and this is also meant for the BAPCH BA Psychology Honors students offered under a CBCS program. Here we would like to share with all our students about something about their practical and tutorial components. Now in BAG program, students those who have opted for psychology core courses, there are 4 courses in it like BPCC 131, BPCC 132, 133 and 134. In BPCC, all these 4 core courses are of 6 credit weight. Out of that, 4 credits are for theory courses, and the remaining 2 credits are for practical or tutorial. Like in case of BPCC 131, 4 credit is for theory, and the remaining 2 credits is for the practical. And in BPCC 132 and 133, there are tutorials, 2 credit each, and in BPCC 134, it is practical component, theory plus practical. So for the practical, so we call the student has to attend the practical either at the study center if the practical is organized there, or else the practicals are organized at the regional center. And for this 2 credit practical, they will have to attend the practical for a day, 2 sessions per day. Each session is of 3 hours duration. And attendance in the practical counseling sessions is compulsory. Once they attend the practical counseling sessions where the academic counselor explain them about doing the experiments, then they will have to prepare the practical record and submit those, followed by conduct of practical exams, which we hold after the completion of the theory term examinations sometime in July and January for the June 2020 and the December 2020 for the June and the December term examinations. And where there is the component of tutorial, the student has to prepare the answers, and those tutorials are the part of the assignments. Like in case of BPCC 132, the tutorials are found in the assignment of BPCC 132. I mean, the assignment has got 2 parts. The first part is assignment, which carries 70% marks, and the second part is a tutorial, and it carries 30%. The student has to submit the assignment and the tutorial separately, not together in one bunch. So they will have to do it for all the courses where there is tutorial component in it. The same applies to the BAPCH students also. Tutorials are to be submitted separately as you prepare the assignment. The similar way you will have to prepare the tutorials, and you will have to submit the tutorials course wise separately, not with the assignments. The tutorials are to be submitted at your respective study center. So thank you so very much for watching this video. I hope you understood it. If at all you have got any problems, any issues, you can always feel free to write to us or send an email to us at rcranchi@igno.ac.in. Thank you and wish you all the very best.